안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome, my friends. It's me, NimBee, and today we're not alone. Let me introduce you to my friend, Dory. 도리라고 해요. 귀엽죠?
Hi everyone. I'm Dory, your Hangul adventure guide. Today, we are in the magical syllable forest where you'll discover how Korean words are made of cute little blocks.
Blocks? Like Lego? What's going on here, Dory?
Yep. Korean words are built from syllables, and today you'll learn 6 different syllable forms. 2-letter words 2 forms. 3-letter words 2 forms. And 4-letter words 2 forms as well. Just walk up to each tree trunk and you'll see how the syllables are stacked horizontally, vertically, and even with patchin.
Wow, this is gonna be so fun. Let's go check out the first tree trunk. Thanks, Dory. That was super helpful.
My pleasure. I hope you enjoy exploring the syllable forest. Have fun and don't forget to check every tree trunk.
Got it. Okay, friends, let's go. Oh, look at this one. This tree trunk shows us a 2-letter Korean word in a horizontal form. Let's see what that means. Here's an example. Look at this picture. We have 2-letter syllable, a consonant plus a vowel, ch and a consonant and a vowel, cha, cha. They sit left to right like this. Super simple, right? Okay, let's go to the next one. We have another tree trunk here. The other form of 2-letter syllable here is a vertical consonant and vowel. See, in the above, we have consonant and the vowel under the consonant. Look at the example. O. We have young and O. O means 5. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we have 3-letter syllable, consonant, vowel, and another consonant. In a Korean word, at least we have to have a consonant and a vowel. Here in this part, we have a 3-letter syllable, consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. This is the first form of a 3-letter syllable, as Jury explained. Look at the example. The example is pop, pop. A consonant, a vowel, and another consonant, which is called final consonant. Okay? Next one. Here, another form of 3-letter syllable, vertically. Again, consonant, vowel, and a final consonant. The example is comb. Okay? Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go here. Now we have 4-letter syllable word. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, which is called double consonant, double patching. Okay, let's see an example like thumb, thumb. And the last one, which is the second form here, another form for 4-letter syllable. Again, consonant, vowel, and double consonant. The example is h, h. Okay? Now that we know how to write the words, let's go to the next part. Okay, let's go! We're in the patching room now. Patchim is something super cool in Korean and super important too. As you saw in the last part, 3-letter words and 4-letter words had a final consonant. This final consonant is called patchim, as I told you before. Yep, patchim literally means supporting base because it sits at the bottom of the syllable. We had some single patchim and some double patchim. Let me show you with examples. First, we're gonna learn about single patching. Let's go. The first category is this one, kiok, kyuk, and tangyok. All of them has k sound when they are put in the patchim. Let's see some examples. First one is cook, puok, puok. and 묵다, 묵다. See, 기억, 기역, and 쌍격. All of them in the 받침 has the K sound. Okay, let's move to the next one. Next 받침 is nian, which has the sound ne. The example is 산 and 돈. See, both the nian is in the 받침 and the sound is ne. Next one. The third one is 리을, and when you see 리을 in the 받침, the sound is like le. Okay, let's have an example like 달 and 물, le sound. Okay, next one is 미음. The sound is me, like 함 and 솜, 함, 솜, me sound in the 받침. Let's go to the next 받침 and next letter. Next single 받침 is ing, and the sound is like this, ing. Okay, like 강 or 콩, 강, 콩. Next one is the next single 받침 is 피읍 and 피읍. The sound is 배, something between 배 and 배. Okay, like 팝, 팝, and 잎. In this part, we have 6 letters which has the 태 sound. The first category is 티귿, 티읕, and 찌읒. They have 태 sound. Let's see the examples. 봤다, 갔다, and 났다. All of them 태 sound. And the next is 시읒, 쌍시읒, and 치읒. These 3 also have 태 sound when they are put in the 받침. Okay, let's see the examples like 맛, 있다, 꽃. Okay, all of them 태 sound. So we have 6 single 받침 which has 태 sound. Okay, and the last one here in this part is 히읗. Hi읗 has various sounds depending on the following letter. Let's see, what does it mean? When you see 히읗 in the 받침, you have to pay attention to the following sound, to the following letter. If 히읗 followed by a vowel, the sound would be softened or disappears. Look at this one, 놓아요, 놓아요, almost disappears. This one, 좋아요, 좋아요. See, 히읗 almost disappears. Hi읗 here doesn't have any sound. Next one is if 히읗 followed by a consonant, you see the sound of 히읗 stronger. Look at this one, 놓다, 놓다, and 좋다, 좋다. See, the sound of 히읗 in the 받침 depends on what you have after it, okay? Okay, coffee first, then let's tackle the mighty 받침 together. While drinking coffee, let's get familiar with double 받침. Double 받침 or 기업 받침. What are they in Korean language? Double 받침 means you have 2 consonants together in a syllable or in a word. If your double 받침 or 기업 받침 followed by a vowel, the second 받침 will carries over the next vowel. Look at this one. 읽다 with 어요. We have a vowel here. 읽다, the 기억 carries over carries over the vowel. The sound would be 읽어요, 읽어요. Or look at the second one. 없다, 없어, 시읒 carries over But in this case, when you have a consonant after 기업 받침 or double 받침, the sound would be like this. 읽다, okay? 팝다, 읽다, 팝다. Now let's go check out each double 받침 one by one and look at the examples for each. We have 11 double 받침 in Korean language and we are going to check out them one by one. The first one is 기억 plus 시읒. Okay, when you have this double 받침 in a word, only the kyok is pronounced. Let's figure it out in an example. Look at this one. 목. Pay attention to this pronunciation, English pronunciation I wrote for you. But when you have a vowel, as I explained to you before, when you have a vowel here, the second 받침 carries over that vowel. Here we have 목시. Okay, look at this one. 목시. Let's move to the next one. The second one is 리을 plus kyok. In this case, the kyok is pronounced. Let's see. 읽다. We can't say 읽다. It is wrong. 읽다. But when we have a vowel after them, now we read it. 읽어요. Look at that arrow. 읽어요. Okay. Next one. The next one is 니은 plus 지읒. In this case, only the 니은 is pronounced. Let's see. 안타. And when we have a vowel, 앉아. See? It's so simple. Next one. Okay. The next one is 니은 plus 히읗. In this case, only the 니은 is pronounced. Let's see. 많다. But when you have a vowel, 많아요. The sounds of it here disappears, okay? As I told you before, 많다 and 많아요. Next one. The fifth one is 리을 plus 피읍. When you have this double 받침, the 피읍 is pronounced, okay? The 피읍. Look, 밟다. And when you have a vowel, 밟아요. The 피읍 carries over that vowel. 밟아요. The next one is 리을 plus 시읒. Here, the 리을 is pronounced before a consonant. When we have consonants, only the 리을 is pronounced. Look, 꿀. But when you have a vowel, 꿀시. See, all of them are the same. It's not that difficult. You just have to follow the rules, okay? Don't worry at all. Let's see what we have here. 리을 and 티읕. Here only the 리을 is pronounced. 핥다. But in this case, 핥아요. The eighth one is 리을 and 히읗. Again, in this case, only the 리을 is pronounced. Like 잃다. 잃어요. Again, the 히읗 is not pronounced here. 잃어요. 리을 plus 미음. Here, the 미음 is pronounced. 삶. 삶이. 미음 carries over E. 피읍 plus 시읒. Here, 피읍 is pronounced. 없다. But when you have vowel, 없어요. Let's move to the last one. And the last double 받침 is 리을 plus 피읍. Here, the 피읍 is pronounced. 읊다. 읊어요. Okay, 읊어요. Wow, that was a lot of syllables and 받침, right? But you did it. You learned the basic syllable forms, how they are built, and even the tricky part, 받침, including single and double 받침, or we call them 기업 받침. I'm super proud of you. Hangul might look hard at first, but step by step, it gets easier and actually really fun, isn't it? If you have any question, please leave me a comment. And if you enjoyed this lesson and want to keep going, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that cute bell so you don't miss the next Korean adventure with me. Don't forget, tiny lessons, big progress with me, NimBee. See you in the next video. 안녕!